Hey everybody, so I got a new raised toilet seat to show you from Bemis today. And they did send this one over for me to try it out and to demonstrate it for you. Now this one is made for both elongated and round toilet seats. And it does have it right on there. It'll say which direction to put it, depending on which one you need. But you can get the one seat and it will work for either one. As for installing it, quite simple, pretty much straightforward. So we will put this on and I'll demonstrate it to you. This one also does have handles that you can put on as well to give a little extra support. And these toilet seats are good for a lot of people. I never really realized how many struggle to get off just the toilet, especially for those that do have a lower to the ground compared to some of the others. So whether you're elderly, you got hurt, or maybe you even had some surgery, and it's just a little bit more difficult for you to stand up, having a higher seat can be very beneficial for you. As for the handles, they just pop in and they lock in place. And that's it for that part. Putting it on the toilet is just like putting on a regular toilet seat. I did have a seat riser that I got for a family member a couple of years ago. And that one you just place on top of the toilets. This right here is going to be a lot more stable and secure though. And I would recommend this style over the kind that you just place on top any day. All right, so I will go ahead and get it installed, and then we will do a quick demonstration with it. All right, so first thing, you're going to put that base on there. And with the base, if you're elongated, you're going to put those back holes. And if it's round, you're going to use those front ones. As for the seat, all we have to do is just place it right on that and flip these to lock and unlock, and that's it. So this is actually a really, really easy seat to use. Now once you place it on there, just flip those little knobs here to the lock position and it will stay on. Now this, you will not be able to raise the seat when it's locked in. So keep that in mind. Once you place this on, it's going to be pretty much just for sitting. But you can easily take it off if you need to as well. Just unlock it, pull it off, and it removes just like so. Super easy to take it on and off. And it's back on. Takes only seconds to do. Well, just like that, we have it on. Really easy to take on and off. And this will add 4.5 inches to your toilet height. I can't recall if they have any other sizes. This was the one that they sent me to try. And one of the old ones that I have that you just placed on there, that was like a 4 inch as well. So it's pretty similar to others that I have shopped around for. Depending on how wide you are will depend on if these handles will work well for you. You can always take one off and have just one on if that works for you. If you don't need them, you can take them both off as well. Well, anyway, this was my quick demonstration of this Bemis toilet seat riser. I think it's a great thing to have around if you're elderly, you got a lot of aches and pains and it's hard for you to stand up. And post-surgery, especially like post-knee surgery, leg surgery, back surgery, any of those that makes it harder for you to stand. This might be something that you would benefit a lot from. Anyway, this is the 4.5 inch rise from Bemis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.